Hello, little friends. Let's have some fun learning the sounds animals make.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Quack, quack, says the dog. Quack, grunt, goes the duck. Mew, mew, says the cat. Mew, mew, says the cat. Grunt, grunt, goes the pig. Grunt, grunt, goes the pig. Squeak, goes the rat. Squeak, goes the rat. Tu-whu, says the owl. Tu-whu, says the owl. Caw-caw, says the crow. Caw-caw, says the crow. Quack, quack, says the duck. Quack, quack, says the duck. And what does the sparrow say? Do you know? That's right. Birds love to sing and chirp all day. You did an amazing job. Let's do it again. Bow, wow, says the dog. Bow, wow, says the dog. Mew, mew, says the cat. Mew, mew, says the cat. Grunt, grunt, goes the pig. Grunt, grunt, goes the pig. Squeak, goes the rat. Squeak, goes the rat. Tu-whu, says the owl. Tu-whu, says the owl. Caw-caw, says the crow. Caw-caw, says the crow. Quack, quack, says the duck. Quack, quack, says the duck. And what does the sparrow say? Do you know?
Great job, little friends. Animals make so many fun sounds. Keep listening to nature and have a wonderful day.